All right, we will start with the last topic of distribution, which is normal distribution. A normal distribution is basically a symmetrical curve. It is also called as a equal distribution curve. Like this. It is a bell-shaped curve with majority of the values are basically around the central value, that is this. You can see the maximum value are lying between this and this, and rest of them are away from the middle point, that is this point. So it is a bell-shaped curve. The data is symmetrical about the mean mu. And finally, mean, median, and mode are same. Now, how do we show the normal distribution curve? X is a random variable which is normally distributed. In bracket, the first quantity is known as mean and second quantity is known as sigma square, which is also called as variance. So let's start with the standardizing normal random variable. You will find out the mean mu and the sigma square, which is variance from the actual raw data. If I want to find out the standardization of normal variable, the standardization of normal variable x is now written as a z, which is normally distributed. Mean in any case is denoted by 0 and sigma square is always denoted by 1. The same graph can be shown with this is mean. On the right hand side, generally we take 3 times standard deviation. On the left hand side, again we take 3 times standard deviation. This is 1 times sigma, 2 times sigma, 3 times sigma. This is minus 1 times sigma, minus 2 times sigma, minus 3 times sigma. The area under this curve is equal to 1, which is basically your probability value. So the total area is divided into 2 equal parts. This is 0.5, this is 0.5. This indicates on the right side of the mean, the total 50% of data is lying. On the left hand side of the mean, total 50%, remaining 50% data is lying. How do you convert this x variable into a z variable? In order to convert this x variable into a z variable, we use the formula z is equal to x, which is given to you, minus mu, which you already calculated or also is given to you, divided by sigma. There is a difference between sigma and sigma square. Sigma stands for standard deviation and sigma square is a variance. So when I say standard deviation, which I denoted by here, is basically square root of variance. That is why sigma is equal to square root of sigma square. This process is called as a standardization. Now we will start with the basic problems of normal distribution. In that I will teach you how to use a calculator